Hello, wherever you are, and welcome to Luo English Dictionary. This is day number 43, and if you're joining us today, welcome and stay tuned for the 5 Luo words a day. So in today's video, we shall talk about these words. The first word is Amadhchack, amara, amboro. So we have 3 types of amara, and then we have amboro. So let's move on. What is Amadhchack? So Amadhchack is a small bush with a milk-like sap. So there are 2 types. Amadhchack might be a snake that lives in this type of bush, and the bush usually has a milk-like when you twist the leaves, you get some milk from it. That is called Amadhchack. Amadhchack. Number 2. Amara. Amara. Amara is somebody who is slick, especially when they are speaking or they are smooth talking. So in a sentence we can say, En kod kido mar amara seche ma osero nyako. He's a smooth talker when flirting with a girl. En kod kido mar amara seche ma osero nyako. Good. The third word of the day is amara still, but this time round, let me remove myself. This time round, amara is dried potatoes. Adwa riwo amara kod omwogo mondo ated godo nyuka. Adwa riwo amara kod omwogo mondo ated godo nyuka. So if you want to make grits, then you can mix both potatoes and cassava. So dried potato is also called amara. Amara, dried potatoes. Then the fourth one is ambewa. Ambewa. Some people say ombewa. Ombewa. So what does it mean? It means an anchor plate. An anchor plate that moves from the rooftop to the house. From the roof to the house. In a sentence you can say, Kulundeng otucho ambewa onyalo lwar. Kulundeng otucho ambewa onyalo lwar. So if you have a wooden ambewa or wooden mbewa, then kulundeng can, a beetle can make holes on the ambewa and make it weak. So the beetle has made holes on the anchor, making it weak and it may collapse. Kulundeng otucho ambewa onyalo lwar. Good. And the last word of the day is amboro. Amboro. Amboro is a deadly snake. It is long and brownish like the one in my picture. The one in the picture is not amboro, but I'm just giving it as an example. Amboro. Thuol mar amboro ne okayo tiende ma oloke rang'ol. Thuol mar amboro ne okayo tiende ma oloke rang'ol. So a deadly snake just bit their what? Let me remove myself. A deadly snake bit him, and now he is crippled. So thuol mar amboro ne okayo tiende ma oloke rang'ol. And that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow for more 5 Luo words a day. So tomorrow's day is day number 44, and you can already see what we'll be talking about. See you guys, and continue learning and watching the channel. Bye-bye.